I'll go retrieve him. Is he? So when he jumps in, do we give him what, like 5 minutes and then go get him, or do we just wait for him to come up? Oh wow!
It's deep.
It's deep. Deep as the abyss. Does it? So, looks like I'm getting ready to jump off this cliff here. It's about 25 feet, and I've got the floaty backpack on, just in case I lose the camera. There's Mr. Charles. Toss this down to you. Don't you feel me jumping. Is there a monitor? How high? That's like, let's see. I don't know. It's counting down. Yeah.